If you've got a project where you need some pre-cut PVC, then this is the product for you. It comes with 10 pieces. This is 1/2 inch PVC, all boxed up in a nice thin box here, all ready to go, pre-cut, ready for your sprinkler project or anything else that you're working on. And this is your standard, Schedule 40 PVC. Comes already with a nice flush edge on both ends. Give you the dimensions here. Comes in at just about exactly 16 inches. So it's just right at 16 inches. And like I said, this is your 1/2 inch diameter on the inside pipe. On the outside, a little bit around about 7/8 of an inch. Just 1/8 short of an inch. So it's going to use with all your common PVC fittings. You're going to have that same strength you expect from a piece that's about 16 inches long of PVC. And if you need more than this, longer lengths, you've got other options. But for those small hobbyist projects where you just need some quick PVC, you don't have time to be cutting that down to size, and you need it about 16 inches, this is ready to go right out of the package. And you're going to get 10 of them, all shipped direct. So hey, I hope that was helpful. Learn a little bit more about this pack of 10 PVC pipes, 1/2 inch long, 16 inches in length, and a 1/2 inch diameter. I hope this is helpful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.